What do you mean, Hope's missing?
A few hours ago, she took off with a boy from school.
What?
We're looking for them. In fact, our entire honors tracking class is on it.
Who's this boy? I'm gonna kill him.
We can't pinpoint their location yet, but they seem to be heading somewhere just outside of New Orleans.
So she's coming home. Why?
You can ask her when we find her. Let's go.
Well, your witch really goes for atmosphere.
She's not my witch. She's just a witch I know.
Not your witch. Got it. Are you okay?
Look, Hope. You know I like you, right?
Well, I didn't think you drove me all this way because you hated me.
It's just... There's gonna be some things I have to explain.
Look, sorry, but the only thing worse than doing this is waiting to do this.
Stop! It's spelled. You can go in.
Mom? Hope. Hope. What is this?
Here.
I'm so sorry.